In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the integrity could not be verified error on iPhone. This message usually appears when you are trying to install a third-party app, a beta app, or a side-loaded app, and your iPhone can't confirm that the app's certificate is trusted. The good news is that in many cases the fix is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly step by step. First, you will want to trust the app developer manually. If the app was installed from outside the official App Store, iOS often requires you to approve the developer yourself before the app can open correctly. To do this, open the Settings app, then go to General, and after that, tap VPN and Device Management. In this section, look for the developer or enterprise profile connected to the app. It may appear under something like Enterprise App or Developer App. Tap the profile name, then tap Trust Developer, and confirm when prompted. This tells your iPhone that you want to allow apps from that verified profile. Next, check whether a VPN is connected. An active VPN can sometimes interfere with Apple's server verification process, which may cause this error to appear. While you are still in the VPN and device management area, look to see if a VPN is enabled. If it is, temporarily disconnect it and then try opening or installing the app again. If needed, you can also remove the VPN profile for the moment and test the installation one more time. If the issue still isn't fixed, the app itself may be corrupted, or the original download may have been interrupted. In that case, remove the app completely and install it again. Press and hold the app icon on your home screen. Then tap Remove App and choose Delete App. This ensures the damaged version is fully removed from your device. After that, reset your network settings. Open Settings. Go to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. And choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode if prompted to continue. This can help clear connection-related problems that may be preventing proper verification. Once that's done, go back to Settings. Then General, and tap Software Update. If an iOS update is available, install it. Running the latest version of iOS can resolve compatibility and security verification issues. Finally, re-download or reinstall the app from its original source. Make sure you use the same trusted source you originally intended, since installing from an unreliable source can trigger the same problem again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.